This video will show you how you can easily use small logics to create even more vivid masks and user enthusiasm. I would like to demonstrate this with the example of sales opportunities. If a deal was closed and the opportunity is switched to status 1, the CRM system shall immediately congratulate the user by displaying a message with an emoji. With the help of the app designer, this can be implemented very comfortably. Place the Note widget in the appropriate place on the screen and enter the desired text and emoji by using the scripting editor. The logic for displaying this message is implemented by a visibility condition. Of course, this example can be transferred to numerous other use cases. Have fun trying it out, your users will love it. Thank you for watching this video. You can find more CRM tutorials and tips and tricks in the CRM Info Center.